Ta-da!
Sammy, what's going on here?
What? No!
Sammy, why did you do this to the apple?
No more red apples in this house. They remind her of bad times.
And who are you talking about?
About Snow White.
I thought you were hungry, and I got you an apple.
I could look at her portrait all day long and I wouldn't be distracted for a second. But you're right, I'm hungry. But how can I take my eyes off her?
I have an idea how to pull all of this together. Let's go! Hi guys! Today we're gonna make a really unusual cake.
Despite that we've already made so many different cakes.
This is the first time we're gonna try this kind of decoration.
If you want to know what it's gonna be, watch this video till the end.
And don't forget to watch the other cake episodes on our channel. I promise you won't regret it. An imposter cake, a huge M&M's cake, and even an aquarium cake are waiting for you.
I can't wait to move on to decorations.
Well, you can help me add some baking soda and baking powder to the flour. But be careful not to add too much.
Give me a second.
In the meantime, we'll take care of the next stage.
I will add some food coloring to the mixture because I want to bake a red velvet cake. All done!
Great idea, Sammy! And let's add a little bit of vinegar as well.
Everything's ready! What's next?
Oh, I didn't even have to ask! I think Sammy's really enjoying making this cake.
What wouldn't you do for a fine lady?
Oh, Sammy, you're so kind today! Thanks for your help and for the compliment.
Oh, Sue, no offense, but I was talking about Snow White.
Oh, so that's how it is. I thought I was your best friend.
Yes, you are! And I can do everything for you! Just watch! See? I've even prepared the batter!
Sammy, technically you've just mixed it. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's add a little bit of vanilla for some extra flavor. Would you look at this, guys? The consistency is just wonderful.
Sue, you didn't give me any tasks!
Let me think. Yeah, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, please.
Consider it done!
I think this will be enough, and that's easy to understand.
Look attentively at your batter. If you don't notice any lumps, it means it's well mixed.
Now it's time to use a cake tin. For this cake, I'm gonna take a round one. Repeat after me if you don't want to have air bubbles that can destroy the texture.
Hey, Sue, I think the oven is hot enough and ready to accept some cake.
Guys, bake your cake for 20 minutes. That's more than enough. And if you're not sure whether it's ready or not, you can poke it with a toothpick. Is it dry? The cake is ready.
Guys, stay tuned! The best is yet to come! I guess Sue won't notice if I taste just…
Samuel, what are you doing?
Nothing to see here, just nothing!
I bet you wanted to taste a cake. You can't fool me.
I just can't help it. It looks so mouthwatering.
I've already cut the crust, so you can taste it if you'd like.
Sue, it's one of the best recipes in the world! I suggest cooking it every day for breakfast.
Sammy, it's not healthy to eat that many sweets.
But in fairy tales, they always eat sweets. Snow White confirms it.
Don't forget that Snow White herself prefers red apples. Guys, we were all waiting for this moment. It's time to decorate the cake. But first, we need to cut out the image, like this.
Sue, no! What have you done? You're ruining her portrait!
You need to break an egg to make an omelet, Sammy.
But it's not an omelet, it's a cake, Sue! You've mixed it up!
Sammy, just stop making a fuss. Everything's thought through. You're so worried about every step, so I've got an impression that you don't trust me.
Oh, Sue! It's not what you think it is. I wanted to pass you a spatula. Here, take it.
You're such a helper. By the way, I've practiced so much that I can make a cake with my eyes closed. Let's put some frosting in the middle, like this. Try to make an even layer.
Sue, don't be so strict with Sammy. He wants everything to be perfect.
Would you look at this sneaky slime? I need this for the cake, not for your tricks, Sammy. Guys, don't forget about safety when working with the knife. Someone can easily get nipped.
I'm taking this. I bet it's tasty.
Feel free to ask an adult to help you at this stage.
I always trust Sue with this kind of work.
And it's ready! It came out really cool! Now we're gonna use black fondant as a base. Don't forget to roll it out!
My job is done here. I assume you can manage on your own now.
We need to give it a firm rub down.
So that it attaches well to the cake. Just repeat after Sue.
Now we'll cut off the edges. Watch your fingers, guys.
Luke, I am your father.
I agree, it looks like Darth Vader's helmet. But not for very long. Wait a bit, and one of the worst villains in the world will turn into a beautiful princess.
And you'll see the wonderful transformation in the next scene.
Just whistle while you work. And cheerfully together we can tidy up the place.
What? Not only do I have to help you a lot, but you ask me to clean up?
It seems to me he's not Sammy, he's grumpy.
What? Who is grumpy? Where did this hat come from? I don't like it. Ew.
Let's just wait until he'll turn into happy again. I heard crafting can improve your mood. Would you be so kind to cut off the rest? The eyes, the bow, and so on?
Sammy, do this. Sammy, do that. What would you do without me?
Well, I see Happy is not here yet. It's good we have some time to wait. Now we need to press down here a little bit to know where the eyes should be.
It's not very difficult, guys, but be careful not to tear the fondant.
We need to make 2 little holes where the nostrils are, like this.
How can I cut off the details if you don't give me the template, huh?
Did you see his hat, guys? It's Happy's! It means he's in a good mood again. We need to put a little line around the lips. It's not harder than applying a lip pencil.
If you're gonna do our makeup, you're gonna need this! Aha!
Again, Sammy! It's exactly what I need for the next step. But guys, pay attention, we use special edible powder. So don't use your mom's blush.
I don't get it. Let me see. Sue, if I clearly remember, we didn't have fondant of that color. Where did you get it?
I'm a crafter, Sam. I don't need to buy things because I can make them. I just added some skin tone coloring to the white fondant.
Sue, I'm not sure about her hair. It looks a bit scruffy. Let me be her fairy godmother. Bibbidi-bobbidi-subscribidi! Woohoo!
I thought such a great fairy tale expert like you can't mix up Snow White and Cinderella.
Oh, come on, Sue. Both of them had an evil stepmother and some problems with the prince. Anyone would get confused.
I'm sure you guys remember that there's no fairy godmother in the Snow White story. That's a character from Cinderella.
Sue, how do you like my new bow?
Actually, I think it'll fit Snow White better. See? I told you! She's so pretty!
Yes, but the cake looks kind of weird without the eyes.
You're right, and it's easy to fix. But first, I need to make the outlines for her brows and eyes like this. If you have some trouble with this stage, feel free to ask an adult for help.
Sue, it takes so long! I can't wait anymore!
I know, Sammy, but be patient. We're at the finish line. I need to apply some water to secure the parts.
Sue, look what I've made! I think we could use these pieces!
Great job, Sam! These will be the eyes. Don't forget to apply some water, guys.
We don't want our cake to fall apart, right? Sue, let me do this! I promise you won't regret it! Well! How do you like it, Sue?
So neat! I'm impressed! Now we can finalize the eyes. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?
Susie, you sound like the evil queen! You'll scare Snow White!
It's just a phrase, Sammy. It can't do any harm. Do you know how to make our cake even better? Now you're talking! I wish someone could make the second eye for me.
Sue, why do you need someone when you have a slime like me? Close your eyes, quickly! And open!
I can't believe my eyes, Sammy. It looks so great. Do you like it, guys? The table is set, and it can only mean one thing. It's time to eat our cake. Oh, we were waiting for this moment for too long.
Sue, I was thinking, maybe we'd better look at her all day long.
What's going on now, Sammy?
She's so pretty, I just can't help it!
Okay, you can look at her for another minute, but then I'm gonna eat it.
Hooray! Guys, if you liked our cake today as much as I did, give us a thumbs up!
Don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss our next video. And subscribe to our channel, of course. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!